All right, today we're going to look at graphing inequalities on a number line. Now, when we're looking at inequalities, we know these two are very familiar with us, less than and greater than, less than, greater than sign, right? So if we're going to graph something that says, for example, x is greater than 3, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to 3. We're going to put an open circle because 3 is not a solution to that. Because if we plugged in 3 is greater than 3, that doesn't work, right? So it has to be greater than 3. So 3 is not acceptable here. So we have to put an open circle, and then we would put a line with an arrow, okay? So if it is less than or greater than, you're going to have an open circle because the number itself is not a solution for that equation. Now, it gets a little trickier when we look at these two. Okay, this is less than or equal to, and this is greater than or equal to. The sign underneath that straight line, kind of like an equal sign, right? So it's kind of merging the greater than sign and the equal to sign. So you add those together and you get greater than or equal to. Okay, so if we say, and let's use another number, we'll say x is less than or equal to 1, that means that you could be 1. X could equal 1, or x could equal 0, or -1, or -2. So in this case, when we have this line here, we're going to put a solid dot. And then our arrow go in that direction. Because x is less than or equal to 1. So it is less than 1 with an arrow, or maybe even 1. Okay? So the difference between these two, if we're going less than or greater than, that means it's an open circle. Open circle. If we're going less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, that means we're going with a solid dot. Okay? So hopefully that helps. Good luck and have fun.